In this video, I'm going to show you how to get hold of Tron. Now, whether you want to buy that with your credit card or with Bitcoin or Ethereum, keep watching and I'll show you how to get hold of Tron. The first thing you need to do is come over to johnnyblockchain.com, and then once you're there, if you scroll down, you'll see it says coin stats. Click on this blue button to view all the coin stats. That will take you to this screen, and if you scroll down, you'll see Tron. Now, if you notice here, there's two columns. It says markets and it says blockchain. Now be very careful, because Tron actually sits on free blockchains. And what you want to get, if you're going to be joining one of the smart contracts, you want to make sure that the Tron that you're acquiring is on the correct blockchain. So Johnny Blockchain is the only website that will give you that information. So I'm going to click on Tron and it will bring me to this page. The bit we're looking at is we want to come over to the TRX blockchains. And here you'll see a list of exchanges where you can actually go and buy the Tron. Binance, you can use your credit card. HitBTC, you can. Eximo, you can use your credit card. Be careful if you buy over on KuCoin, because you'll see on KuCoin it's actually on more than one blockchain. It's on the Mainnet blockchain and the ERC20 blockchain, and you're not able to withdraw it from there. Okay, as you can see on Johnny Blockchain, we also tell you whether you can deposit and withdraw Tron from that particular exchange. You can either use, as I say, one of these exchanges. So let's say you have some Bitcoin or Ethereum and you want to find out how to exchange it into Tron. If you're not familiar with these exchanges, it can be quite difficult, getting through that learning curve in finding how to convert your Ethereum into Tron or your Bitcoin into Tron. Well, what I do, which is so simple, is I downloaded this wallet called Exodus. Okay, I'll put the link to the description in this wallet. This is a wallet that sits on your computer. So let me take you over to that wallet now. So here I am in one of my Exodus wallets. As you can see, I've got £108 worth of Bitcoin, and I want to exchange this for Tron. Well, that's very simple. If you come over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see that it says exchange. You click on there, and I've already got Bitcoin by default. Now, what I want to do is change this to Tron. So I'm just going to put in there in the search box, TRON, and I've got Tron. Then all I need to do on this left-hand side is to say how much that I want to exchange for Tron. So I'm going to say all. So I'm going to put all of my Bitcoin, which I had 108, and it's going to take a small fee off me, and I'm going to exchange it for Tron, and I'm going to get 4,649 Tron for my £103. And then all you do is to click on exchange. And then you need to wait for the blockchain to actually convert it from Bitcoin over to Tron. And as you can see, it's in limbo at the moment, because my balance up here says £4.87, which when it's all converted into the Tron, which is this bit here, my balance will go back up. So now I need to go over to my wallets. As you can see, the Bitcoin is completely empty now, and this transaction is in progress. So what I need to do is just to find down the left hand side here, I'm looking for the Tron wallet, and here it is down here. So I'm just waiting for the Tron to arrive in here. I did some exchanges earlier. I did Ethereum and I got 42,000 Tron for the Ethereum that I had. So now I've just got to wait for the Tron to arrive here. So as you can see now, I've got my Tron, and I've got 4,649 Tron for my Bitcoin that I had earlier. Now what I'm going to do in another video is I'm going to show you how to move the Tron out of Exodus and put it into the wallet so you can open yourself up one of the smart contracts. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.